good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 13 from verse 10 to verse 17. One crippled woman get cured upon the Sabbath. One Sabbath day, Jesus did a teach in one of the Jew them church. And one woman did it where one demon cast for cripple for 18 years. Her back did bend and she couldn't straighten up. When Jesus see her, him call her and say, "Woman, you're better now." Him put him hand upon her and same time she turn up straight and praise God. The head man for the Jew them church did vex can't done cause Jesus get her better upon the Sabbath. So he said to the people them, 6 days they in the week for work. Come get better upon one of them the day there. Not do it upon the Sabbath. The Lord tell him say, "Uno two-face. Uno no loose no cow or donkey from the stall and lead them out for water upon the Sabbath." Then this woman, what a Abraham girl picnic, with Satan buying up for 18 long year. So what? She don't forget free upon the Sabbath too. When Jesus said this, all of them were against him shame. But the rest of people them did happy about the good sitting them what him did a do. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.